In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to your Wix pages, a crucial step in optimizing your website for search engines and improving your visibility online. Whether you're creating a portfolio, running a small business, or launching a blog, understanding how to effectively manage your site's SEO can make a significant difference in attracting visitors. Alright, to kick things off, let's start by navigating to your Wix editor. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side menu, and you'll notice an option labeled Pages and Menu. This is where all your site's pages are listed, making it easy to access and manage the content you want to optimize. Go ahead and click on that. Now locate the page you wish to edit. Next to it, you'll see a More Actions icon, which looks like 3 little dots. Give that a click and a list of options will appear. From this menu, select SEO Basics. This section is essential for making sure your site is not only user-friendly, but also search engine-friendly. Once you're in the SEO Basics section, you'll find fields labeled Title Tag and Meta Description. These are vital for informing both search engines and potential visitors what your page is about. In the Title Tag field, enter a concise and descriptive title for your page. This should reflect the primary theme or content focus of the page, as it will appear as the clickable headline in search engine results. Next, move to the Meta Description field. Here you'll want to type a brief summary of your page's content. Keep it compelling and to the point, as this description will appear beneath your title tag in search results, enticing users to click through to your site. Remember, including relevant keywords can help improve your site's discoverability in search results. Once you've filled out both the title and description to your liking, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click Publish. This step is crucial, as it ensures that all your changes are saved and live on your website, ready for the world to see. It's important to note that this process is not a one-time task, but a continuous effort. If you have multiple pages on your site that you want to optimize, you'll need to repeat this process for each of them. Consistently updating your meta tags as your content evolves or as search trends change can help maintain or even improve your search engine rankings. Congratulations, you've now learned how to add and optimize meta tags on your Wix pages effectively. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your site's SEO, building a stronger online presence, and hopefully seeing an increase in the traffic your site receives. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so keep it in your mind as you grow and develop your website over time. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!